Good morning, all of you. Today we study about class 5th subject math chapter number first numbers. Numbers means it is made by counting. Counting means counting starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are only 10 digits. By this 10 digits we make any infinite number. How? Look at here, numbers. Numbers means here, look at here. Here 10 digit is given and here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Overall 10 digit. By this 10 digit we make any number like that. If I write here 1, 0, 2, 3, then it's make 3, 2, 1s, 10, 100 and 1000. Then its number make 1000, 23. If you should say is how many numbers are there, then we can say it's a 4 number. How? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means this number is made by 4 digits, like that. In your 5th class, 4 digits we already read in our 4 digits numbers we already read in our class 4th. You can also know about this charts, ones, tens, 100, 1000. That is 4 digit number. 4 digit number what we use? Ones, 10, 100 and 1000. But in your 5th class we read about the up to 5 digit. Up to 5 digit means there are 4 digit also, but up to 5 means more than 5. More than 5. Then we know that if there are 5 digit means there are here is only 4 digit. I will be make here 5, 8, 3, 2, 1. If you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then its total numbers is 5. Totals its numbers is 5. Then we can say its number made by number made by 5 digit. Then we can say it's a 5 digit number. 5 digit number. 4 5 digit number. How we read this? How we read? You already read in 4th class, but now it's revision time. In 5th class, your chapter number 1 is your revision. Recall of your class 4th. Then we can read how we make like that chart. We also make like that chart. I will be make here. Then it is starting from first is the ones. Which is the ones here digit? That is your left side and it's your right side. Right side your first number is your ones. Then after that its second number is tens value. Third is 100 value. Third is hundreds value. Fourth is 1000 value. And fifth is 10,000. 10,000. Now you can see your right side first number is ones value, second is your tens value, third is your 100 value, fourth is your 1000 value and fifth is your 10,000 value. And we can know ones means only 1, 10 means 10 into 1, yeah, any number, and here is 1 into 1 like that. 100 into 1, 1000 means there are 3 0 into 1 and 10,000 means 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000 means 10,000. 10,000. In this we write here one's value is here 1. The next tens value is here given 2. Then 10 into 2. Then next 8. 3 into 100 into 3. The next 8. 1000 into 8. The next is 10,000 into 5. I also solve you place value and exponent value. Our next topic is our also, but in this index, in this table you can also learn about the what is the means of 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones and how we read our numbers. If you can see here, then it is answer is 1, 20, 300, 800 and 50,000. 50,000. Next in this how we read? First is the ones, then tens, that is 100, that is your 1000, and it is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. And one more thing also, 10,000 and 1,000 both are read with, both are read together. Then we can say 58. 58. I write this side 5 8 3 2 1. Then I write here 58,000. 58,000. 58,000. 58,000. 300. 300. 21. 21. ये आपका नंबरिंग है, ये नंबर्स। इस नंबर्स का आप जब वर्ड्स में लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे? जो आपका वंस, टेंस और 100 तक का वैल्यू ये अलग होगा। फिर होगा 8 और 5, यानी 8 है यहाँ पे 1000 का वैल्यू और 5 है यहाँ 10,000। यानी जब भी आप नंबर्स में चेंज करोगे तो आपका 10,000 और 1000 साथ में ऐड होके साथ में इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं। यानी क्या होगा आपका 58, यानी ये पूरा नंबर क्या बना है? 58। 58,321, that is your first. Then we can say here more than 5, you up to 5. Then how we read? Next is 10,000, like that. I make again your index. If your up to 5 digit is given, and how we make our index, and how you write your numbers in words, and how you read. Then first is our right here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Look at it. Its total is 1 2 3 4. It means only 4 digit. Then next is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 means 4 5 digit. If I say here lakh, then it's for 6 digit. And if I write here 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs means it's for 4 5 6 and 7 digit. 4 7 digit. Then ones means only 1. 10 means 10. 100 means 1 and 00. 1000 means 1 and 000. 10,000 means 1 and 40. Lakh means 1 and 50. And 10 lakh means 1 and 60. You can read here also, that is the ones value, ones, 10, 100. Why we put here comma? We knowing why that table is according to our Indian place value chart. It is according to our Indian system. According to our Indian system place value chart. Indian system place value chart. We already read about in 4th class about the Indian system place value chart and international system place value chart. In the Indian system place value chart, we make here after the 100 first comma, after this 1000 and 10,000. After the 10,000 we make a comma. That after that lakh and 10 lakh. Then how we count? 10 lakh, 1000. There are no any other number, then we only read 10,000. Like that your index is completed. If you see here, I will pick your number. If I write here 68923, then how we read? First we write here comma. Look at here, comma is very important. Then ones value, 10 value and 100 value. We put here comma according to our Indian system. According to our Indian system. Then next after the 100, our next is here. But there are no any other number after the 6. Then we don't put here comma. Then now we have read it. It's the ones value. It's the tens value. That is 100 value. It's 1000 and it's 10,000. I already say to you that 1000 and 10,000 both our numbers are read with together. Then we can say 68,923. Then how we write? 68,923. 68,923. 68,923. Then like that, it's your completed. Then next in this we also read about expanded form. Expanded form. Before read the expanded form, we read about the place value. Place value. I write here same example. Example 68,923. In this, if your question said find here place value and face value. Place value and face value. This one here face value. Face value is always same. If here is question asks to you face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 9 is 9. I write here like that. Face value of 2 equal to 2, like that. Face value of 3 equal to 3. If any number are given and question asks to you face value. Question asks to you face value, then face value is the same number. If your question asks to be face value of 9, then our answer is 9. But place value is changed. Place value is changed. Place value. Place value. Place value means place value. Place means that is the place. Here is 3. We starting from also last number here left side to right, and we also starting from right to left. I will be tell you about the right to left. We go like that. Then first is the 3. We know that 3 value is here 1's value. Next is 10's value. Next 9 is 100 value. 8 is here 1000 value, and 6 is here 10,000. Then now we started from 3. We know that place value of 3. Place value of 3. Look at here. What is the place of here? 3 is 1's. 1's means we already means 1's means only 1. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 1 into 3 equal to 3. Then next place value of 2. Next number is 2, and we know that what is the place of 2 here? 10. 10 means multiply with 10. Then 10 into 2 equal to 20. 10 into 2 equal to 20. Then next place value of next number is given 9. Place value of 9. We know that what is the place of here 9 is 100. 100 means multiply with 100. 1 and 00 multiply with 9. 9. 100. It's all are you already read in your class 4, but it is your only revision. Chapter number first is only your class 4th revision. Next is place value. Next number is place value of 8. Place value of 8. Look at here. What is the place of 8? 1000. 1000 means multiply with 1000. 1,000,000 into 8. Then it's converted into 8,000. 8,000. And last number is place value of 6. Place value of 6 is 6. Look at here. 6 place value is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 means multiply with 10,000. 1. 10,000 means 1 and 40. 10,000 multiply with 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We already read how we multiply. If your number is given 10 table, if it's converted into 10 table, then it's simply multiply. We know that if any number multiply with 0, then our answer is 0. We already write it like that. Then 6 multiply with 0, 6. 6 multiply with 0, 6 multiply with 0, 0. 6 multiply with 0, and your answer is also 0. Then next 0, 0. 6 multiply with 1, it means 6 ones are 6. That is your answer. It's all our place value. It's all our place value. Place value is like that. If in your place value we put here sign is plus sign. If in our place value we put here plus sign, then it's converted into your exponent form. Look at here. First we read about if your question is given like that place value. If your question is given in your place value and question say find your number. Find your number. Then how we find? We add all are the number. Then there are two methods. First method is make your column. Then first is we know that last is our 10,000. Then make your column 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Make your column and now you find your answer. We find here first is we put here ones value is only 3. Then next is 2 and 0. We already read about in addition. First we write our ones value. Then next is 0, 0, 9. 0, 0, 9. The next number is 0, 0, 0 and 8. Then last number is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 6. 0, 0, 0 and 6. All are 0 means 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Then next 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. Then next 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. Then next is 8 plus 0, 8 and 6. Now your number is come here. And if there are second method, it is your first method. If your place value is given and find your number, then how we find? It's your first method. Then second method is very easy. We put here simply. First is the ones value is 3, 10 means 2 and then it is converted into ones value, it is 10 value. Next is 9, it's a 100 value. And next is the place value, it means, look at here, it's 1000 value means 8 is your 1000. And next is your 10,000 means 6. 10,000. Like that your place value is completed. Next in this, if we find our exponent form. I already said to you place value and exponent value, there are only a sign will be there. In place value is right like that. I make here from place value. That is all are, if you see in your index, then the here 10 lakh place value is 10 lakh value is 1000, 10,000. And in this question find your number. See in your Indian system table and tell me what is your number, phone number. There are two methods. Then we directly write ones value is 1, 10 value is 1, 100 value is 1, 1000 value is also 1, 10,000 value is 1, lakh value is 1 and 10 lakh value is 1. Now we put here comma. Ones, 10, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000. After the 10,000 we put here comma. Then lakh and 10. That is your second method. If we solve by first method, then we put here all are. First is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Now we put here the value of all. Then first we put here value of ones is only 1. Then next tens value is 0 and 1. Next we put here 100, 0, 0, 1. Next 1000 value. Next is your 1000 value. Then 1000 is first is ones value is 0, tens value is also 0, 100 value is 0 and 1000 value is 1. Then next 10,000. 10,000 ones value is 0, tens value is 0, 1000 value is 0, 100 value is also 0, 10,000 value is 1. Then next lakh. It means in lakh ones value 0, tens value 0, 100 value 0, 1000 value 0, 10,000 value 0, lakh value is 1. Then next is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Then ones value is 0, 10 value 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh value is 0. Then next is 10 lakh value is 1. Now all are add. If in any number, if in any number we add infinite 0, then our answer is that number. Then here is 1, here is also 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Then it's converted into 11 lakh 11,111. 11 lakh 11,111. It's converted into like that. It's your place value converted into numbers. Now like that, if it's place value, it's very lengthy, then you can solve also in your second method, but it's your choice. Next, if your question say to you expanded form, expanded form means open the number like that. Place value is also expanded form, only some change are here. Only in place value, if we put here plus sign, then it's converted into expanded form like that. I will be written here example 72964. Then it's 4 is 10's value, 6 is 10, 4 is 1's value, 6 is 10's value, 900 value, 2 is here 1000 value, and 7 is 10,000 value. Now you can see here. Now we can see here 72,964. Now we convert into expanded form. Only simply in expanded form, how we write the place value like that we write. Then here we starting from also left to right and right to left. I will be write from right to left. Then here is 4 is the 1's value, 6 is 10's value, 9 is 100 value, 2 is here 1000 value, and 7 is here 10,000 value. 10,000 value. Then we know that which is the that value we multiply with that. Then in ones we only multiply with 4 into 1. In expanded form we put here plus sign. 4 into 1, then next is 6. 6 value is here 10, then 6 into 10 plus, then next is 9. 9 its value of 100, 9 into 100 plus, then next 2. 2 is the value of 1000. 1000 means multiply with 1 and 000 plus sign. 7. 7 is the value of 10,000. 7 into 10,000. Now multiply 4 multiply with 1, 4 plus 6 multiply with 10, then 10 6 60 plus 100 multiply with 9, and 100 9s are 900 plus 1000 multiply with 2, then 1000 into 2 means 2000. Then next is 7000. Next is 7000. It's converted into your expanded form. It's converted into expanded form. Expanded form. Like that, if how we solve in place value, like that we solve in this also. If your question is given like that, expanded form is given, and question say find its sort, either general form. Then how we find all are plus 4 and 60, and look at here in this question your 10,000 and 1000 value is always 8. Both are 8. It's we write directly right also. You also write 4, 60, 900, 2000. I write again. You also write like that 4, 60, 900. Next is 2000. Next is 70,000. All are 8. 4 plus 0. All are 4. 6, 9, 2, 7. It's converted into your general form. That is the expanded form. And one more thing also, it's very important. The place value of 0 is always 0. Is always 0. The place value of 0 is always 0. It's very important. And we know that if the place value of 0 is 0, then exponent form of 0 is also 0. Like that, your exponent form and place value is completed. Next topic is, in this next topic is ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. We learn both with comparing. Before the ascending order and descending orders, we learn about the comparison of numbers. Compare means compare which is the smallest and which is the biggest. We compare, if I write here, first we compare by digit. Compare by digit means compare by digit. If your one number is given and its first number and its second number is given 6, 4, 5, 8, 3. 6, 4, 5 and 3. First is our compare by digit. See here, compare in which number is digit is more, then that number is biggest. If here we see and count 1, 2, 3 and 4, it is 4 digits. It's a 4 digits number, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. 5 digits number. Then we can see here it's 4 digit number and it's 5 digit number, then we put here like that number. Then we can say 6000. How we write 6432 is smaller than 64583. We know that why its number is biggest, because in this number is 5 digit and in this number is only 4 digit. That is your first method. Second method, if your compare by place value. Compare by place value chart. Compare by place value chart here. How we place value? If your both are numbers is given in 5 digit, like example 85,321 and I write here 85,429. Then I make here fully table. First is here total number is 5. Then we starting from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. We make here index. Then first we write here number. Then here is ones value is 1, tens value is 2. Here is 3, 5, 8. That is your first number. Second number, it is your first and second number. I write here first and second. In second number, here is 9, tens value is 2, 100 value is 4, 1000 value is 5 and 10,000 value is 8. First we compare 10,000, then we can say here 10,000 and 10,000 both are equal. Then next 1000 value is 5 and 5 both are equal. Then you can see here 3 and here is 4, then we can say 4 is more. 4 is more. Then next is don't see. If we don't see, then our answer is also same. Here is equal and it's 9 more. Yeah, we can write here second number is more. Second number is more. Then we can see here 85,321 is less than 85,429. It is the comparison. If you see here normally 8 and 8 cut, 5 and 5, here is 3 and here is 4. 4 is bigger than 3, then we write directly that sign, comparison sign. Next, now we started our second last point, ascending order. Now we started our second last point, ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. It means small to biggest number. Smallest to biggest number. Smallest to biggest number. If you know about the comparison, then you can solve ascending order and next is descending order. If you don't understand and you don't practice for your comparison number, then you can solve your ascending order. In ascending order, smallest and biggest number you find. If I write here four numbers, for example 92321, 6431, 68321, and next number is 5831. Then next is 85821. Now you can see ascending means smallest to biggest. And first we write smallest number, then is the like that, smallest more than small, biggest more than biggest, like that, and that is your last number is biggest number. Then now we started here. First we compare by first our method. We see here which number is 4 digit have and which number is 5 digit. And first we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is total is 5 digit. Total is 5 digits. Second number is 4 digit. We also count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then next is also 5 digit. Next is 4 digits. Next is 4 digits. Then last number is also have 5 digit. We know that smallest is which have 4 digit and 4 digit. If you compare, here is 6 and here is 5, then we know that 5 is smallest than 6. Then we write here first our smallest number is 5831. Then our sign is like that. Then next is 6431. Next, that is and means 5831 is less than 6431, then less than. Next you can see here is in 5 digit. Here is 6, here 9 and here 8. Then first number your 10,000 value is here. 6 is less than 8 and 5. Then third number is 68,321. Next sign is also less than. Then next is here is 9 and here is 8. We know that 8 is smallest than 9. Then we can write 85,821, and your endless number is last is 92,321. It is your convert into ascending order. Simple ascending means smallest to biggest. इसमें आपको चेक करना है कि जो आपका 4 डिजिट्स का नंबर है या 5 डिजिट का, सबसे पहले ये चेक करना है कि किसमें 4 डिजिट्स हैं और किसमें 5, यानी जो सबसे कम डिजिट रखेगा वही आपका क्या होगा, सबसे छोटा नंबर। आप जब इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर देखोगे तो आपके 4 डिजिट के 2 नंबर्स है और 5 के 3 है। 4 को अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो यहाँ 5 है और यहाँ 6 है, यानी जो 1000 की वैल्यू है, 1000 की वैल्यू ये 1000 की वैल्यू यहाँ 6 है, यहाँ 5 है, यानी ये 6000 है और ये 5000। तो स्टार्ट किससे होगा, 5000, क्योंकि 5000 क्या है, 6000 से छोटा। तो ये हो गया आपका 4 डिजिट का। फिर इसके बाद भी कौन सा आएगा, 4 डिजिट। नेक्स्ट आपका 5 डिजिट का है। 5 डिजिट के अंदर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ 10,000 की वैल्यू 9, इस नंबर के अंदर 6 है और इसके अंदर 8 है। तो सबसे छोटा कौन सा हो गया, 6, 8 और 9 में से 6 वाला नंबर। 6 वाला नंबर है जो आपका क्या होगा, स्मॉलेस्ट होगा किससे, 85,821 और 92,320 इस टाइप से आप करोगे तो ये क्या होगा आपका असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। नेक्स्ट है आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट। कुछ नहीं है, सेम आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है जो आपका ऑपोजिट होता है असेंडिंग का, और असेंडिंग ऑपोजिट होता है आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर का। यानी आप इसे एग्जांपल को लेकर चलोगे तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्या बोलता है आपका, बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट, यानी बड़े से छोटा। यानी इसमें सबसे बड़ा कौन सा, ये तो 92,321 ये साइन, यानी ये साइन किस तरफ है तो आपको किस तरफ लगाना है, इस टाइप से, यानी साइन क्या हो जाएंगे आपके यहाँ चेंज। नेक्स्ट होगा आपका 85,821। नेक्स्ट साइन ऑपोजिट होगा आपका 68,321। नेक्स्ट है 6,431 एंड नेक्स्ट है लास्ट नंबर 5,831। कुछ नहीं है आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, आपका सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर आएगा आपका बिगेस्ट और सबसे लास्ट होगा आपका स्मॉलेस्ट। और असेंडिंग ऑर्डर के अंदर होगा सबसे पहला आपका स्मॉलेस्ट और लास्ट होगा आपका बिगेस्ट। इस टाइप से आपका ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर दोनों क्या होते हैं यहाँ पे कंप्लीट। तो सॉल्यूशन नहीं देना कहीं